What's special about it is the angulation here.
What are our patients cleaning their teeth with? Education is so important. You can have a toothbrush that's a fantastic brush, the Curaden 12460, the Velvet. But if a patient doesn't know how to use it, and this is where iTop comes in, individually trained oral prophylaxis, going through the Curaden Academy and learning how to actually train dental professionals once again and bringing them back to those basic steps of learning how to teach a patient, because we can give them all the education and not a great product, but we can give them a great product but no education, and truly education is key.
Now we covered 3 tools. Now I'm gonna talk about technique.
iTop was phenomenal. It was so much fun to learn hands-on how to apply the toothbrush versus holding the brush properly against the tooth and the gum line.
We are oral health motivators.
What I liked most about today's seminar is the 2 different speakers telling 2 different ways. One was teaching us and one was telling us about the product.
What I liked best about today's seminar was the fact that we got to actually use the products ourselves. That way we can explain how they work, the texture of them, the feeling of them to our patients in our offices.
The new technique, we're gonna go below the fibula and in.
When I get back on Monday, I hope to start recommending the interdental brushes and how helpful they'll be for their overall health. I cannot wait to implement this in my office.